Okay, so depicting the hypercube physically has really helped me with my numbers. Okay? Now, I left off last time kind of like bewildered by what I found in the X here. And I want to go ahead and show you why I know I'm right. So, we're going to focus on the 1, 12, 2, 2, 3, 14, and 1 now. Because what's the next dimension of unity after an X? L. 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 So, here we are. This is what we know, okay? I turned it, okay? So we're going to look at half of it, okay? Now, obviously this node would be shared. So this node will be shared with the top and bottom, okay? But we're going to look at the bottom right now, okay? We're going to look at the 1, the 12, the 2, 2, 3, the 14, and the 1 as a universe. So, what I see here, we already know from earlier that a 1, 2, okay, that a 1, 2, a 1, 2 read properly backwards as 2 dots and 1 line is a 3, which is this. So a 1, 2 is this. So I'm going to properly depict it as that. I'm going to leave the 2, 2, 3 alone, but I know that it's, to me, I believe it to be masculine, feminine, or positive, negative, feminine, masculine, or negative, positive, and knowledge of the Trinity. The 3 makes 4 makes 5, or the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. And because I know the hand of God, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, fifth pillar rising, 9, 10, 11, 12, complete again. Start over on the clock. Because I know the hand of God, a 1, 4. This is 10. Okay? So a 1, 4 is this, a 1, 4, which is a 10, with a circle around it, because it's 2 galaxies in the universe. To get rid of the circle around it, we got a +1. We got +1. It becomes 11. And 11, we already know what 11 is. 11 is 2 dots and a line, 2 dots and a line, or 4 dots and 2 lines. 24. And 24 in Roman numerals is this. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to substitute this little hand for XXIV in between the I's. Okay? Now let's further reduce it. Now I know that an XXIVI, okay, well that's a 4. That's 10, 20, 24. The ones cancel, guys. Put it in a calculator. Okay, I even confirmed this. I googled Roman numeral converter and I put XXIVI and it reduced to 25. XXV. Okay, so we're making some progress here. Now the next thing I did, again, 11 is 24 with a circle around it because it's 2 galaxies in the universe. Okay? I left this alone for now. And then I started counting my dots and lines. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 one-dimensional lines. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 dots. Because I didn't draw circles around these. So you have 13 zero-dimensional dots. Okay, interesting, eh? So the next... Okay, so what is... Sorry, I don't think I could do this on a computer. So this, I left this alone, and then look at this. What is this? I have 10 one-dimensional lines. Okay, well if I always depict my dots and then my lines going from left to right, okay, I'm going to do the same thing here. So I'm going to put a 10. I'm going to put a 13 first. We have 13 zero-dimensional dots. And we have 10 one-dimensional lines. So an XXIII is now a universe. Those 5 galaxies are a universe. Okay? Within the universe. Well, XXIII is just 23. Okay? And I reduced this, okay? Because I know that 3 makes 4 makes 5. Okay? But it's just a giant circle. And a giant circle is just a dot. Okay? A giant circle, guys, is essentially just a dot. Okay? And get rid of the circles. Add your +1. Add your +1. So 24 makes 25, 23 makes 24 with a dot. Okay? That's pretty much, a 0 is a 1. So that's essentially 49. Okay? When you add them together with a circle around the universe, the 2 galaxies in the universe. Get rid of the circle, you get 50, and 50 is L in Roman numerals, guys. Because you go 0, I, V, X, L. And L in Roman numerals is 50. Okay? Now if we take a look at the X again, and we look at what we've decoded this hand. We've decoded the right hand. Okay? We've decoded the right hand and the left hand. So since I don't know these numbers, I'm going to make an assumption, guys. Because I know a thing or two about dimensions of unity and balance. And creation strives for balance, no matter what it is. So if the right hand of this God, of this universe, is equal to L, which is equal to 50, I'm going to assume that the left-hand side is also equal to L, okay? Which is also equal to 50. And what did I say about creation? 2 dots make a line, 2 lines make a V, 2 V's make an X, 2 X's make an L. Now I believe that this depiction, whatever these are, I don't think it matters, guys. But I'm going to make an assumption that this L on the right-hand side is going to create another L on the left-hand side because 2 L's make the next dimension of unity, which is a C, guys, which is 100. Okay, guys? 5, 10, 50, 100. So I know a lot of you are going to just laugh. Okay, you're going to laugh at some of the ways. I think I'm probably one of the I don't want to be egotistical here, but I really do think I'm a very good code breaker. And based on my conclusions and my assumptions, and what I've come up with dimensions of unity, and how I understand the half cells and the full cells, okay? How many full cells are there in hex? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is complete, guys. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do 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 do. Use your discernment. Have a little faith. Okay? Everything happens for a reason. Cheers, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna wait for 9/11.